load like that, and with one or two, I think I could do that. Good afternoon. I have been tasked with making Miss Kelly a garlic and onion drying rack. What we need is a spot, good ventilation, no direct sunlight, and good ventilation. We thought, where are we going to do this? We've got this little porch here that's right at the front door. It's about 4 feet out. I measured, I didn't want to go to the light, and I am going to try to hang the rack with these, what do they call them, eye hooks, gate hooks, screw the small circle part and leave it up here. Use this to clip it in. So I'm going to make a frame out of the cedar. I was going to use 2x4s, but I don't have any left. I had cedar. It's rough cut. I did have to sand it a little bit. It was dirty. But I went ahead and made all my cuts. So I will shut up and I will put it on time lapse and put it together, and then we'll talk about it at the end. As you can tell, it's starting to get dark. Looks like we got a storm coming. I'm laughing because I got zip ties out. I don't have duct tape yet, but I think we can avoid the duct tape on this project. I used quarter round to hold this along with the little corners, and it was just easy and fast with my brad nailer to secure that. I'll probably put a brace here in the center. Onions could get kind of heavy, but I'm going to have to get everything put away, all my tools, because it looks like rain. So, and I just saw the mail lady drive up. So, anyway, hopefully we can finish this tomorrow. The poultry netting is kind of a pain to work with by yourself. I've got it stretched about as tight as I could get solo, but and the bulbs will go in. You'll feed the stems in through here, and then the bulb will be left sticking up. So they'll be hung upside down. Like I say, eventually I'll get those gate hooks up here. Hopefully we can do it tomorrow. The rain held off. I got lucky. I went ahead and finished up the frame. I did add this center board for support. This is still light. I'm going to see, the hardest part is putting these gate latches on. I'm bending down, I'm not sure I'm in frame, and getting the hook spaced out. Let's see if I can get this up here by myself. There we go. Alright, there's one. And the second one. So now, this would obviously be easier with 2 people. I think this is how we'll load this. This is a pitiful piece of garlic, but Kelly pulled it yesterday. Let's see if I can thread this down through here. All right. So I think we could load like that, and with 1 or 2, I think I could do that by myself, depending on how heavy it is. So that was the idea. Yeah, this is the northwest side of our house, so it's another reason we put it up here. If this starts swaying in the wind too much, I can put a screw and pin it to this post so it's not as, it won't slide so much or move in the wind, but that's not bad. And that's it. I'm sure whatever I didn't do completely right. If you've got comments on how to do this better, let me know. I was just trying to use up, all I bought was the latches and the poultry netting. So, yeah, it's an afternoon project, keeps you out of trouble, and you have a lot of fun and you learn something. And every time you do something, you learn a little more. There's someone out there that has more info than you do. But we'll let you know after we get this loaded with onions or garlic how this is going. The rain finally has started. I don't know if you can see the water drops on the table. I thought it was going to be a pretty bad storm, but it's not. Right this minute, it got really dark. But I got all my tools put away, which was fantastic. And we'll see if I can get this in frame. Cats decided it's too wet for them, so they're at the door. Been a long week, but it's nice to get a little project done for Kelly. And we will see you later. Bye.